Another challenge, another Diagcode solution. Today we're demonstrating Diagcode Bike Diagnostics Software on a Cobo 3-inch dashboard from an Aprilia RS660 Euro 5, a unique solution built for professional motorcycle workshops. Introducing Diagcode RaceDashboard Functions for Cobo dashboards used in Aprilia and Moto Guzzi motorcycles. Available functions: IMMO OFF, Headlamp Disable, works directly via OBD on bike or on bench. No cutting, no drilling, just plug and play. After switching the ignition on, the display stays black while the dashboard waits for a valid transponder key. Without a key, the dashboard eventually boots up. The dashboard requests a key or security code. Select the manufacturer, model, and dashboard configuration. Let's identify the dashboard. We press Read. Fault code B0006. Immobilizer error is present because the immobilizer is active. Now we open RaceDashboard Functions. Every function can be applied or reverted simply by ticking the checkbox and running it again. We'll use the IMMO OFF function. Press the button. Now let the software do the work. After powering on, the dashboard still waits for a transponder key because the immobilizer is still active. The immobilizer warning messages are still displayed. Now we proceed. Procedure completed successfully. The dashboard reboots. Now the dashboard starts immediately, without waiting for a key. The key and security code messages are gone. Let's press Read again. Fault code B0006. Immobilizer error has disappeared automatically. Combined with Headlamp Disable and the Diagcode File Service for custom ECU mappings, you can prepare your race bike without external emulator devices for the immobilizer, sidestand, headlight, or taillight. Simple, fast, reliable. 5-inch dashboard support is coming soon.